Hello, it's Zutshi here, and in this video I want to show you some hints and tips about how important it is to get the right environment to help you achieve the success you want to achieve in your life. So right now I'm out in the French Alps, I'm in Maribel, I'm on a ski trip, I'm standing in the pool, it's quite cold but a heated pool luckily, and I'm just chilling out after a day skiing. So we've got a pool, jacuzzi and steam room over here as well. And I'm on a trip with 3 friends. It's a trip 4 of us come on every single year, and they're a group of property investors, business owners, and as well as coming and having a really good laugh and enjoying some food and wine, etc., we always end up talking about property and business on the ski lifts and sharing what we're doing and updating each other. And in fact, it's like a little mastermind group. Now, there are a couple of benefits to this and something I want to explain in this particular video. First of all, I think it's really important to recognize that you need to make sure you're putting yourself into the right environment. You don't want to be the smartest person in the room. We've all got different business and property experiences, so we help and share each other and explain what we're doing. So that's the first thing. Secondly, I'm not the best skier. I mean, I've been skiing for quite a long time, but actually the others are all better than me. And by putting myself in an environment where people are better than me, my skiing has improved because I've been stretched. So something I want you to think about is, how can you stretch yourself? How can you get better people around you to pull you up to a higher level? And the other thing is, you want to get people around you and take advice from people who know what they're doing. Very often, unfortunately, people want to invest in property and they listen to family and friends around them who might say, oh, I'm not sure property is a really good thing for you to do, it's very risky. And they're right, it is risky. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose money by investing in property. However, what you want to do is make sure you listen to people who know what they're doing, who've been there before, who've made the mistakes, so you don't have to make those mistakes. Really important to understand that. So if you have family and friends, particularly at Christmas, when you're telling people what you want to achieve in property and they're saying, oh, I'm not sure if you should really be doing that, well, just ask yourself, are they a property multi-millionaire? And if they're not, they're probably not the best people for you to be listening to and taking advice from. You want to listen to people who know what they're talking about and can help you be successful. Be very careful that you don't allow other people to steal your dreams and take away the desire of what you want to achieve. So it's really important to understand that. So I guess my final point here is just make sure you get the positive people around you. This is one of the reasons people join my Property Mastermind Programme. Sometimes we have people who are completely new to property and some people who have already got some experience already and are pretty successful, and they want to step up to the next level and they want to get into that environment of people who are going to support them and hold them to account. And what I wanted to mention is that in January we are going to be doing a scholarship. Each year we give away one place on a year-long Property Mastermind Programme. In 2020, the investment to do Mastermind is £20,000 plus VAT. People pay that because of the life-changing results we help people get. However, one person is going to win a place completely free of charge. So look out for the emails from us. If you're on our mailing list, you'll get notification of that. There's a process to go through. We want to make sure we give it to just the most deserving person. So that's all from me. I'm going to go and jump in the sauna now. But look, I wish you a really happy Christmas and a wonderful new year. I look forward to seeing you in 2020, which I believe is going to be an incredible time for us to do really well in property. So I look forward to seeing you then. Invest with knowledge, invest with skill.